This video features the Rimac Nevera, one of the fastest cars in 2025. Before we continue, please subscribe to this channel at Luxury on Wheels Worldwide for more exclusive contents. The Rimac Nevera is an all-electric hypercar with a 1,914 horsepower power output, a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, and a top speed of 258 miles per hour, 412 kilometers per hour. It boasts extreme acceleration, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 1.74 seconds, and features a quad-motor all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring for exceptional handling. Key specifications include a 490 km WLTP range and advanced aerodynamics. Performance horsepower /1,914 HP /1,408 kW, torque /2,340 Nm, motor torque 0-60 mph /1.74 seconds, 0-100 km/h /1.81 seconds, 0-300 km/h /9.22 seconds, quarter mile /8.25 seconds, top speed /258 mph /412 km/h, powertrain and battery motor, 4 independent permanent magnet electric motors, 2 front, 2 rear, drivetrain, all-wheel drive with software-controlled torque vectoring, battery /120 kilowatt-hour, liquid-cooled, H-shaped, lithium manganese nickel battery pack, battery cooling, liquid-cooled charging, onboard /22 kW, 3-phase fast charging /500 kW, DC combo, 0 to 80% in /22 minutes, dimensions and chassis weight /150 kg, body, carbon fiber monocoque with an integrated structural battery pack, wheelbase /108.1 inches, /2,745 mm, width /78.2 inches, /1,986 mm, excluding mirrors, range WLTP range /490 km, /304 miles. Subscribe to this channel for more exclusive contents.